Hey there guys, Abby here. So I haven't done a voiceover of Animal Jam in a long time. So that's what's happening today. Voices. Yay. So let's log in to my account. Been on here once today and that is all, and that was really early. Let's see what it has in store for us. Oh. Okay. Mhm. Okay, I understand, man. Where did the woman go? What did you do to her? Okay. I can choose 4 of my animals. I have 4 animals to choose from. I have to go with Twinkle. And hmm. Huh. I'll have to go with the Spinny Boy. Save animals. Ah, you're so loud. Yes. No. Ah, I have edge gold. Hello. You are going to be tacky. Tacky rooster. Your personality. Far from it. You like camera and you like corn dogs. Hello. Let's have sunny sky. Oh, far from it. And Tom's a Tom. Let's see. Let's call him Tater Tack. Practical stick. He likes skateboards. Alright, so I guess Matt hasn't hatched yet. Will I still be able to have my pets? Oh my god, I can't have them. That sucks. Right, okay. So, let's see what I can wear. Oh, see what I can wear to defend myself. Dun dun dun. Let's wear this. Oh, it's so difficult to actually like seem intimidating when you're a non-member. Just realised that. Let's have a shark head. Looking snazzy. May have to take off the nexus, so here we go. I look intimidating. Apparently I'm not allowed to say that. Who's online right now? No one I know. Because I bet you random people. So I started this off not knowing anything I was going to do, and that was a shock. But I still don't know what I'm going to do. Well, I'm in my natural habitat. I'm not in my natural habitat. There we go. I'm going to eat these frogs and think about what I should do in my life. Alright, I figured it out. Dun 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 Yay! I don't know what I say to this. Ha ha! I took out all my rage. Okay, what should we do now? I'm honestly not sure. Come back to my den. It's looking pretty fine. Yeah, my house. Oh my god, I just realised everything I placed in here except for that drum set was non-member. I'm having so much fun. I just realised how boring it is as a non-member. Wait, did my friends get removed? No, thank god. There, that should do. Yeah, I'm just gonna live the non-member rebel life now. Gonna go get money. The simple way. And then I'm gonna start adventuring. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. I'm level 3, which is honestly quite amazing. Join adventure normal. Yay! Yes. Hey there, I am Cosmo, the koala alpha. Welcome to the special part of Jamar I like to call home. Never seen this part of Jamar. Is this even Jamar? Can I trust you? I always thought Cosmo wasn't the kid-friendly one. He was something different. Anyway, those lousy phantoms made a mess of this land while I was gone. Why did you leave? Wear your metal fences to save yourself. Why don't they just sneak in disguises? No, in this game they'd be able to sneak in disguises over to people's dens and sabotage it. Anyway, there are polluted plants and streams all over the place and none of my crops are growing. Oh no! I sent out 2 koala explorers before I left. I hope the phantoms didn't get them. Well, have they returned? Guess not. Pretty sure they've been captured, mate. Could you water the crops in my garden while I make sure the explorers are safe? Ow. Yay! Haha, poof. I'm going to just see in this end. Well, no, okay. It's very hard to make commentary when you're trying to focus on one thing. Oh, crops. Hello. Get some more, and then go for splashy sploosh on here. Ah! And then we go in upper room, and it's splashy sploosh up there. Oh, wow! Can we go in Cosmo's house already? Yay! Oh, we actually can. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure he wouldn't want me in there. Let's get out of there before he locks me in. Does this count? It doesn't. Let's water the flowers anyway. How is this fresh if the streams aren't? I don't understand that, because in the other adventures that doesn't count as being... What? I don't care. Anyway. Moving hometown, walking fast, faces passing home. Is it past here? Is there more? No. Is it up there? I think so. I'm contemplating life at this moment. Why did I choose to do this with my life? I could have tried and done many different things in my life, but I decided, you know... Oh, that wasn't it. I forgot flowers didn't count. I decided, let's talk to myself and not try. This is what I get. This is what I do now. This is very fun. So yeah, that's just look me around. Oh, you're back. The exact time I finished. Thank you for watering my garden. Those crops look great. Well, I'm afraid that the only piece of good news I have though, the phantoms have captured... No, I'm afraid that's the only piece of good news I have, though. The phantoms have captured the two koala explorers. Did they see you? Guess not. Why am I answering my own questions? They were exploring the caverns to see if they could find ingredients for a new plant. It looks like it's up to us to rescue them, and I've got just the thing to help us. It is a formula that will... It is a formula that will help this tree go This is a formula that will help the tree grow boom seeds. Boom seeds are special seeds that can help us defeat the phantoms. Making boom seeds is a hard process that takes a lot of special ingredients. First, the three things we need are nectar, trompa seeds, and honey. I've got nectar and trompa seeds in my den. You can find honey in the beehive in my garden. Could you find those ingredients for me? Okay. I'm just broke out of character. Oh my god, I sound like a dog. Anyway, let's grab this boom. Jump sequence. does it mean nectars and nectarines? No, no it doesn't. This is oh, nectar from flower. Okay, I get it now. How do we take the nectar out of the tree? We need a bee to do that, and the bee turn it to honey, so we don't need nectar, we just need honey and boom seeds. I'll stop ranting now. This is a 6-year-old game. I am still playing at the age of 11. What's my life come to? The nectar is great, but don't forget we still need honey. I know we still need honey. Let's go forth. There's no member. I guess the really fun thing to do is just, to play adventures when you're a non-member. It's easy to entertain yourself, but it being that easy, it gets boring. Especially when passages to get rare items for members. I don't care. Oh my goodness. This is when he gets memory loss. What? Because you were mixing the mixture and the boom seed just went pfft. Probably why. Where are the carrots? Oh my god, they're by there. They were my arch nemesis, and I'm a bunny. I should love carrots. Play, play, play. Let's go forth. Where did the thing come from that is like, oh, they love this? The ingredient is small, red, and very delicious. I mean, that's your opinion. I mean, I find them very delicious, but I find them a bit bitter. Yellow and along. I thought you were gonna say yellow fruit. Then I was like, corn is not a fruit. But no, he's a vegetable. That's good. I trust you because my friend said it's a fruit. And I was like, it's not a fruit. Corn, that's right, thanks. We only have one left. Red and pink, and it grows in the ground. You can see it from here. You could just point to it. You do know that. I'm taking all of your boom seeds, boy. Attack the boulder. Yes. How'd you get over there if you want me to break it? Alright. Oh yeah, teleportation. I forgot, I'm sorry. I mean, a little helpless bunny with a shark hat on can't really teleport. You're putting children through all of these risks, you know? It's not really healthy for them in real life because they'll be like, Cosmo will help me. No, he can't teleport in real life and he won't come and get you and help you. Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to do that. I won't forget. If I do, I will actually kill myself. Water every plant quickly now. There's already one there. Oh, so special item. I'm curious. George might say. No, you wouldn't, because I'm dying and George does not die. He just explodes with no thing to be like scared of. There, die, yes, haha. Seriously, like, didn't we like have a war between them, but we used to be friends or something like that? Why can't you just be like, gee, sorry, mate, and then be like, oh, it's alright then, mate, and then we become friends again, and this ever happened? Because that's why you always teach kids. You're like, just say sorry, and they'll be like, oh, he's okay. So why didn't we do that, huh? This is way too complicated for the poor children. I'm actually Smith, so I know how to do this. So hit my toe. 10 out of 10. It's actually caved me in. Nice clipping there, Anwar. I mean, I don't blame them. Something I do. Can't develop games for the life of me. Working on a big project. Nah, nah, nah. Sorry, I had just stuck in my head. I need to make music for it as well. Anyway, where is that final plant that didn't get, like, watered? It's in Cosmo's house in there. Can I, like, not water this one? Well, wait. Okay, I heard a girl scream outside. That's safe. I just know gonna have lots of fun. And night when this matter on the loose thing could die. No, you stay away from me. Touch me and I'll actually attack you and everyone you love. I'm capable of doing such a thing. Am I right? Have I watered everything? Yeah. Up here. I swear, if there are a few up here, I will actually murder you. No. Okay, you get to live another day. Yo! Let's go, let's go, let go, let go, let go. Let go. Let go. Where are these plants? I'm actually getting bored. I just want it to end my life, please. Where is the first cabin? Oh, it's by here. Right now. How do we get? What? What? Why don't you go ready to create a song of these pipes of Lantify and will grow? Oh! It's so loud. Will I like have to hear them? Where would I learn this? Yes, I didn't even mean to kill you then, haha. How do I get up there? Sorry, I just been through a jacket on there. Oh! Secret passage. I have 50 gems. What a great thing. I'm going to actually Google this. I swear I will. I'm not even joking. Let me just, Is a nightingale bird. Right, what is your song? What? So, miss out the red and then come back to the orange. Okay, I think I got it. Yes. Right here. How did I get a secret place by going? What's this? Just the way back out, okay. Hello. Oh, I'm gonna die. Last cabin. Right, we need water. We need water. We need water. Oh. Okay. Still following me. Okay. Who's up here? Franklin. I have a few hooks you can use. I've been hiding in so the fences can't see them. Oh, 1, 2. I live for this house. I want it. I'd use this house. Anyway. How long have we been on? We've been on for 28 minutes. It's crazy how time flies. Oh no. You can't kill me. How'd you see me? You don't see me. Ha ha. Right, so kill me. Please do. Actually don't. Actually don't. No thank you, I don't want it. One plan. Oh. Yay! Run, 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 run. Is that it? No, there's one more. Swell. Is that it? I'm gonna check if that's it. If it's not, then I'm gonna be sad. It took me forever to find them. Is that a secret entrance? No. Yes, I know. Tasty rabbit, attack me. Attack a 6-year-old child. Don't tell them I'm 11. Oh, I forgot. I'm stuck here. Kill me, please. Thank you. It's gonna... Oh, thank God. Bananas. What do I eat them for? That was quite random. Ah! Oh, that was quite random. You can see me in the flowers? That's not fair. Yes. Oh, we go this way. Thank you, anonymous sign. You lied. This isn't good. I don't like it. I want to go home with my mommy. Let's go back to the cabin. I want to go with my mommy. Wait, no, I don't want to go up here. I don't want to know you. I actually don't. I just want to end this after I've gotten a little prize. Imagine just give me a spike collar and I'd be like, that'd be amazing. But I did then tried it away for like a blue one. Nah. Let me back down. Why are you still here? Run! Oh, you're so stupid. There are phantoms around here. They'll just capture you again. Stupid, I know. Now play it again. Alright, stop lagging on me, you stupid game. I wanna go back. Oh, okay, I didn't want to go through the secret entrance. I wanted to go home. I wanna go home now. Yes, go up here. We done? No prize? Oh my God. Okay, bye. I ain't watering any more plants. Oh. You're not a member. Oh my God, friend. Are you on now? Yes. Cookie. Cookie eye. No, please. Don't left. No, it's not. um, old days when I used to be a non-member. I was non-member for around 2 years. So till like 2013. And just doing adventures over and over again landed me with around 300,000 gems. And back when we could only have 230 den items, I had 230 and I kept on selling one thing. But then power got to my head and I sold everything. And then I had nothing and I had to start from the ground up, and I could say I'm progressing. Money's a bit low, but I'm progressing on items and stuff. Soon I'll just be able to get back on it, money and stuff. My friends were always like, why are you going back to your old ways and stuff? I'm like, it was a habit that I picked up on, just selling my items for money, but having so much money and then having nothing, so you couldn't be creative. And it was horrible. It's a horrible thing. So I prefer just going back to my old ways. Still hanging out with friends, but going back to my old ways. Anyway, enough chit chat. I gone now because I'm actually really bored. So, bye.